Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Abhijit. Today I am going to draw Art Avatar on our Shantanu Devnath. I like the way he is draw and his work really inspired young artists. And another thing is that today I am going to unboxing my dream pencil, Pentel 0.5 mechanical pencil. Let's unboxing my pencil. Friends, are really exciting to see it. Guys, it's amazing. I can't tell you right now what I feel. Today I am using this pencil for drawing. First I draw a middle line of this portrait. Then I want to duplicate the angle of the sunglass. Now I draw the shape of the glass and try to duplicate as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw the angle of the nose. Outlining the nose by taking a map from the position of the glass. Right now I outlining the beard and the lips by taking a map from the position of the nose and eyes. Try to duplicate each and every part as it is shown on the picture. Now I draw outline of the hair and the position of the hair. And I try to draw hair as well as shown on the picture. I carefully see the beard outline and take a measure from the glass and try to draw as it is shown on the picture. Outlining the air by taking a map from the position of the eyes and nose. Guys, art of the outline drawing was ready for shading. Guys, this pencil was amazing. I really love it. Friends, I hope you like my drawing. If you like my drawing, then hit the like button and share with your friends. And those who are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest update.